When for some reasons or the other, if it is not possible or advisable to use the real objects, models prove very useful and effective means of educating the students. Models are the concrete objects copied of real objects or the substitutes for real things. A model is a 3D representation of a real things which enables students to have a correct concept of the object, and also a working model will secure immediate attention and serve as a motivation to learn. Models can be prepared with several kinds of materials such as cardboard, plastic, plaster of Paris, wood, clay, thermocol, etc. As far as possible, a model should be least expensive and be made by the students themselves. Model may also serve the best purpose in teaching various concepts and facts related to geometrical theorem and exercises. The main purposes of using models are showing relationship by means of facts, figures and statistics, summarizing information and provide an environment for interactive student engagement. Working with models can enhance systematic thinking abilities, presenting abstract ideas in visual form, showing development of structure, creating problems and stimulating thinking, motivating the students. The knowledge gained while using models and the understanding of model development and implementation are transferable to other disciplines. We can use model in the classroom in an effective way if we follow some rules. Models should be true representative of the actual objects and be prepared or arranged before the beginning of the lesson. Students should help the teacher in this purpose. Students also can create inexpensive models prepared by locally available materials to illustrate their understanding of what is being taught. The teacher should have clear objectives for using models. The complexity of the aids should match the level of maturity of the students, and it should make an appeal to as many of the 5 senses as possible. The teacher should give students adequate time to study and interpret any visual information before it is summarized by the teacher. The teacher should link together the textual and visual information into a unified whole. The teacher must use pointer to point out specific facts while describing the model to demonstrate an idea or concept to their students. Models are also important for teaching disabled students through the visual experiences. All models should be adequately labeled. If it is possible, pupils can be allowed to manipulate models and ask higher level questions. So there is a chance to develop scientific attitude among students. Now try this.